Hi everyone, in this video I'll be discussing a Factory 5 Racing GTM Supercar. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about building a kit car and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification button below and share with others on social media. If you've not seen my last few videos leading up to this one, please go to Building a Lamborghini Kit Car, My Journey Begins, in the links below. Where I last left off, it seemed all the supercar kits were not really kits but reproductions, where you just buy them fully built. And then the normal kit car companies would supply you with some vintage body, and that's it. You're on your own with the frame and suspension, etc. Then I found Factory 5 Racing, and they have many different models and come with a manual. Now you're speaking my language. So the first thing that I came across that was really cool was the GTM, which is a replica of the Ford GT40 race car. And if I can't do a Lamborghini, then how about another supercar? The original GT40 actually reminds me a little bit of the Speed Racer Mark V, which I've actually seen that car live in person at the Peterson Museum before. Speed Racer was like a cartoon I used to watch when I was like 5 years old. It was based around this racing car with a James Bond type gadgets that would come out of it. So back to the story. The GTM is based off of the GT40, but sharper lines, less roundness. I actually like it better. It is pushing towards the new GT, which is totally badass and probably the best looking supercar out there. The GTM kit starts around $25K, and hey, that's pretty affordable. So with this information, I started digging in and researching. The car uses a donor of a C5 Corvette. The C5 Corvette was in production from 1997 to 2004, and most have a LS1 350 horsepower engine. So the concept is pull the major parts off the Vette, like the engine, front, rear control arms, suspensions, brakes, fuel tanks, and then you need a Porsche 911 transaxle since this is a mid-engine car, and you marry the two together. Now, this car is really amazing, and it will become what you make of it. If you build it right, then it will be great. If you build it half-ass, well, then you have something like those Fiero kit Lambos that I talked about in the past. Kind of junk. The cool thing though is most of the parts are supplied for you, and I'm now noticing there's a big community for Factory 5 with multiple forums and support from the factory. Also, you don't have to use a donor car either. You could just go buy the parts new if you like. Spend a little more, but knowing you have an all brand new car might be worth it. And there is a ton of customizable options for your car and body to make it look the way you want to. From carbon fiber front splitters to race spoilers, telescoping steering wheels, roof scoops, heating and air conditioning. Make it look vintage with old Ford GT colors or something new and super exotic. The unfortunate thing for me is when you add all this up, the average build of this car comes out to $70,000 to $100,000, and unfortunately, I can't do that. So, however, if things maybe go well on the channel, maybe this will be my second car build. I don't know. So we'll see, but it's time to choose something else that's a little bit more affordable. So, more to think about again. Stay tuned for the next video and where I explore more affordable options on which kit to get. Please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share online. Until next time, have a great day.